Hello everyone. Welcome back to our YouTuber class. Last time, we learned about YouTubers and created our own scripts and storyboards. Today, we will learn how to film and edit your videos. Are you ready? Today, we will use those scripts and storyboards to start filming. But before we do that, we need to learn some basic filming techniques. First, let's talk about the basics of using a camera. Does anyone know what framing means? Framing means how you position the subject in your shot. It's important to make sure everything you want to show is clearly visible. Let's practice framing with the camera. Now, let's talk about lighting. Good lighting can make your video look much better. Who knows what natural lighting is? Yes. Light from the sun. Natural light is very useful. If you're indoors, try to film near a window. If you're outside, make sure the sun is not directly behind you. Let's practice finding good lighting spots. Now that we've learned about filming, let's move on to editing. Editing helps us take all our footage and put it together to make a great video. We'll be using a simple editing software today. I'll show you the basics. First, we need to import our footage into the editing software. Then, we can start cutting out the parts we don't need and arranging the scenes in the right order. Once we have our scenes in the right order, we can add effects like transitions between scenes. This makes the video look smoother. Today, we learned how to film and edit videos. Did you enjoy learning about these new skills? For homework, I want you to finish editing your videos. Use the techniques we learned today and make sure your video is ready to share next time. I can't wait to see what you create. Thank you, everyone. See you next time.